In this video, I will show you how to use Megapari bonus amount. This is very easy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I want you to create a professional Megapari account. To do that, click on register, fill in your details from choosing your country to your email address, repeat your password, and in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LeoTV. If you use the promo code LeoTV, you're going to receive a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you might receive $300. Once that is done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now let's continue. So if you've claimed your Mega Party bonus and you want to use it, this is exactly what you have to do. So if you follow the code I give and you claim a bonus, to know if it's already active after completing your first deposit, you come over to your account here and you're going to see two accounts. There's going to be a main account and there's going to be a bonus account. If you see any amount in a bonus account, then that's the amount, that's your bonus amount, or this is the amount you receive from the deposit. So to use it, all you have to do is just go ahead and select the account. As you can see, it's already selected, and then you can go back right now and place your bet. If you place any bet right now, the bet is going to be counted from that bonus amount. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like